stock. Hey y'all, good morning. LA Appliance Guy here. We got in this side-by-side Frigidaire and it was flashing H1 up here. That means high temp. But really, what was the problem to begin with? This fan blade. Check it out. This thing right here. So I just went ahead and threw a used one on there just to get it cooler. But man, this thing was making a vibration. I couldn't stand it. But I think we got a damper problem. Let's check it. All right. H1. This thing come in with a bad fan blade making crazy noises, so I just went ahead and slapped one in. But we are still not getting air through this damper. Might have a bad damper. Sometimes the tech sheet is under here. Yeah. There it is. I can't remember how to get these into diagnostic. Let's see. All right, press freezer up. 1, 2, 3. All right, so that should be software. Oop, I went the wrong way. Error log. E3, that's the error. I want to go to 5. Damper motor. Still closed. Yeah, it ain't opening. Yeah, and it's flashing 4. It's a motor or switch error in the damper. Cool. All right, since we're in it, let's just go to 6. I should have had my amp clamp on there. But I guess since we have the back out, oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's hot. Yeah, heater works. All right, to get out of test mode, I think you just hold up. Or maybe it's down, I can't remember. Okay, yeah, there we go. Back to normal operation. Fans back on. So once you find the technical data sheet, it tells you, you hold the freezer up, then 1, 2, 3, and release. And then that'll get you into this mode here, and we can test that damper and go ahead and do the defrost. So these are pretty good refrigerators. I like them. I have a very similar one in my house, but mine has the regular thermostats, not the digital control. Same thing, still has a damper and everything. But these dampers are known to fail. They either get stuck closed or they get stuck open. Stuck open is even worse because it freezes and can ruin this whole filtration system right here. freeze it, split it, and all that good stuff. So let's get into the side here and we'll change that damper. This is it. And we're seeing it from this side inside the refrigerator. And that's the side that goes towards the freezer. Alrighty, there is 1/4" screws there, there, and there, and there, and way back there. So let's get it. That's the thermistor that slips into the freezer. Let's see, oh yeah, it comes down here. There we go.
Oh, don't forget the crown, most important wire. Unplug in the ground.
This one just has cheap sticky. This is the aftermarket. The original is so expensive. This one works good. There we go. Do. 10 minutes later. Come on. Come on. There we go. In the hole. Come on. There we go. All right. Okay. Last but not least, the light. Ten minutes later. Can't screw in a light bulb. Can't screw in a light bulb. How many LA appliance guys does it take to screw in a light bulb? Oh, there we go. There we go. Might as well go ahead and zip this back in. Alright, I'm gonna leave this right here and you might hear it open. Did it open? I can't tell. Yep, we open. All right, now we should be getting proper air. Put this little boogly woogly right there. Oh yeah, down under 50, looking good. All right, so I had kind of forgot how to do this service mode, and there's a way to put it into manual defrost, but you basically hold the top freezer button and then hit the freezer down button 3 times and release. That's how you get it into the diagnostic mode. And then you go through your settings there and can change it with the fridge up and down key. Pretty simple. Sorry I couldn't really remember, but we will go ahead and do the right thing and put this back under the bottom in its little holder down there. All right, y'all. If you haven't hit the like and subscribe yet, subscribe. We're trying to make 1,000 before Turkey Day. Let's check on our fridge. Ooh, in between 30 and 40. And it should be closed. Yep, looks like it's closed. There's no air coming out. Fantastic. 30. And there's no H1 code. And there's no noise. Beautiful. Powie. All right, y'all, that was a quick fix on a Frigidaire side by side. He said it was making noise first, so we found the problem with that. It sounded like a prop plane coming in. So I just threw one on there just to get it cold. Then the damper would not open, so it wasn't letting cold air over to the fridge. Quick, easy fix. Y'all hit that like and subscribe. Let's make 1,000 before Thanksgiving. Have a great day. Oh yeah, keyword time. So if you made it all the way through the video and you want to prove it, put it down in the comments. Flapper. Since the flapper wouldn't open, the friggin' flapper. Just a quick truck ramble. Stopped at the gas station on the way into work. This is almost the exact same fridge I have. And like, we have a really nice LG French door counter depth in there. I ain't bringing it home. You know, keep it simple. You know, one evaporator. Blow the air from one side to the other. It's that simple. I don't need 2 evaporators in like these dual cool systems. And I don't need a French door with the drawer on the bottom. I have a chest freezer. Dang. Keep it simple sometimes. Less is more. When you start putting ice makers in the refrigerator compartment and all that stuff, you just run into issues sometimes. But that's just my quick thought this morning. This is almost the exact same refrigerator I have at my house. Like I said, I just have the one with the knobs, but it still has an adaptive defrost control there. And it just works. It just works, you know, until it doesn't. And then guess what? I'll fix it. Y'all have a great day. Truck Talk over. Thank y'all for watching. Come back tomorrow. Have a great day.